Oh, food, food, food. I'm fat. The refrigerators get me. I can't stop eating food. YouTube, I'm telling you, I'm fat. The refrigerators get me. I can't stop eating food. I'm telling you. My mom's spotted me in the kitchen, making something to eat. She always knows I'm hungry to bring things all around me, and I have to eat. I wasted away. I wanna eat everything. I wanna eat everything. Oh, fat. I'm fat. I don't know what to do. God, I'm telling you, I'm fat. The refrigerators get me. I can't stop eating food. I'm telling you, I'm fat. I'm fat. I'm fat. Do you know that? 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 Do you know that? Do you know that? So I'm thinking about going on a diet so I can get the gastric bypass. But I don't think I want to, cause I love to eat. I don't wanna go on a diet. I already fucking tried it. In the word diet is the word die. I don't wanna die. I just wanna keep eating, cause all the food is yummy. Look at how I'm hungry. You know I'm hungry. You know I'm hungry. I'm fat. The refrigerator's getting me. All the girls are jealous, cause I got big boobs. I'm fat, and I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you all up. I'm hungry. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna hit some high notes. Ready? I'm fat. I'm fat. Okay. Hello? Yes, I'd like to make a delivery. Yes, I would like 7 large pizzas with cheese and pepperoni, a 2-liter bottle of Coca-Cola. Delivery right now! I don't care how much it is, I got money, I want it right now, okay? Alright, deliver it now! I'm fat. The refrigerator's getting me. Got me doing things I'll never do. Girl, I'm telling you, I'm fat. The refrigerator's getting me. I don't know what to do. I'm telling you, how?